In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace sky in Canva. We'll start by opening a template in Canva. Any size or style works. The goal is simply to create a canvas to work on. If you already have a design, open that. If not, choose a simple template so you can focus on the photo edit. Next, go to the Uploads panel and insert your image. You can drag and drop your photo into Canva or use the Upload button to bring it in. Once it appears on your page, place it roughly where you'd like it to sit. Right-click the photo and choose Set Image as Background. This makes the picture fill the entire page and helps the edit blend seamlessly across the edges. If your image isn't the same proportions, Canva will fit it automatically, and that's fine for this workflow. With the background selected, click Edit. This opens the editing options for your image, where you'll find the tools we need. Scroll down to the Magic Studio section. This is where Canva groups its AI-powered tools. Click Magic Edit. A brush tool will appear, letting you paint the area you want to change. This is perfect for isolating the sky. Brush over the sky you want to change. Click, drag, and hold to paint. You can zoom in for precision and adjust the brush size if needed. Try to keep your brush just inside the sky and avoid painting over buildings, trees, or people. If you make a mistake, undo and repaint the area. Cover the entire sky area. Make sure there aren't any gaps in your selection, especially around edges and between branches or rooftops. A clean selection helps the tool create a more realistic replacement. In the prompt box, type something like "change the sky" or add some clouds. You can be more descriptive to get a better match. For example, soft golden hour clouds, dramatic stormy sky, or clear blue midday sky. Include time of day or mood to match the lighting in your photo. Click Generate. Canva will create several options based on your selection and prompt. This usually takes a few seconds. Look through the generated results and select the one that blends best with your scene. Pay attention to color, light direction, and overall mood so it feels natural. If none are quite right, adjust your prompt slightly and generate again until you're satisfied. Once you've chosen your preferred result, click Done. That's it. Your sky is replaced. You can repeat the process if you want to refine the selection or try different looks. Experiment with prompts and brush precision to get a flawless, realistic finish.